The dream of becoming financially independent is growing among many young people and adults in Kenya today. Jobs are becoming harder to find, the cost of living is increasing every year, and many people are now looking for businesses they can start with small capital and grow slowly. One of the easiest and most practical businesses that many Kenyans are entering is the reselling business. It is simple to understand, flexible to start, and possible to operate even from home using only a smartphone and internet connection. A reselling business simply means buying products at a lower price and selling them at a higher price to make profit. You do not manufacture the products yourself. You find products that people already want, buy them from wholesalers, distributors, manufacturers, or importers, then sell them to customers at a profit. This business model has created millionaires around the world because it is easy to scale once you understand the market. In Kenya, reselling is now one of the fastest growing business models because of social media, mobile money, and online marketplaces. Today, a person in Kisumu can sell products to customers in Nairobi, Mombasa, Eldoret, Nakuru, or even remote towns without owning a physical shop. Courier companies and digital payments have made business easier than ever before. A small seller can start with only 5,000 Kenyan shillings and slowly grow into a business, making hundreds of thousands of Kenyan shillings every month. The beauty of reselling is that almost anything can be resold. Some people sell clothes, others sell electronics, while others focus on beauty products, shoes, handbags, watches, kitchen items, furniture, or phone accessories. Some resellers even specialize in second-hand products like mitumba clothes, refurbished phones, and used furniture. What matters most is finding products that people need and understanding how to market them properly. One of the biggest reasons why reselling works so well in Kenya is because many consumers are highly price-sensitive. Most buyers are always looking for affordable products that still offer good quality. This creates opportunities for sellers who know where to source products cheaply. Many successful resellers understand that customers care about value. If you can provide quality products at reasonable prices while offering good customer service, people will keep buying from you. Starting a reselling business begins with choosing the right products. This is one of the most important decisions you will make because the products you choose determine your customers, your profit margins, and your business growth. Some products sell faster than others. Some products require small capital, while others need more investment. It is important to study the market before spending money. Phone accessories are among the easiest products to start reselling in Kenya. Almost everyone owns a smartphone today, and people constantly need chargers, earphones, phone covers, screen protectors, smart watches, Bluetooth speakers, and power banks. The good thing about phone accessories is that they are affordable to buy in bulk, and they move quickly when marketed well. A person can buy phone covers at 200 Kenyan shillings and sell them for 500 Kenyan shillings or more depending on the location and target market. Fashion products are also very profitable. Clothes, sneakers, handbags, jewelry, and caps are always in demand because people want to look good. Fashion trends keep changing, meaning customers often buy repeatedly. Many young people especially buy products they see on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. If you can identify trending fashion products early and market them properly, you can make good profits. Mitumba clothes continue to dominate the Kenyan market because many people prefer affordable fashion. A bale of mitumba clothes may cost between 15,000 Kenyan shillings and 80,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on the quality and category. However, many small sellers begin by buying individual pieces from wholesalers and reselling them online or in open-air markets. Some people even start with less than 3,000 Kenyan shillings by selling a few selected clothes through WhatsApp status. Beauty and cosmetic products are another excellent category. Many women and even men spend money on skincare, perfumes, wigs, lotions, oils, makeup kits, and grooming products. The beauty industry in Kenya continues to grow every year because personal appearance has become more important in both social and professional life. Beauty products can also create repeat customers because once a customer likes a product, they usually return to buy again. Kitchen and household products are also performing very well online. Many people love products that make their homes look organized and modern. Storage containers, kitchen organizers, blenders, wall lights, bedsheets, curtains, and cleaning gadgets often attract buyers on social media. Videos showing how these products work tend to perform very well on TikTok and Facebook. Electronics can also be profitable, although they require more capital. Products like headphones, gaming accessories, speakers, televisions, and laptops can generate high profits if sourced properly. However, electronics require careful handling because customers expect quality and warranties. Selling fake or low-quality electronics can quickly damage your reputation. Second-hand products are also becoming more popular in Kenya. Many people cannot afford brand-new products and therefore look for affordable alternatives. Used phones, refurbished laptops, furniture, cameras, and home appliances are attracting many buyers. Some resellers buy used products cheaply, clean or repair them, then resell them at higher prices. After deciding what products to sell, the next step is understanding your target customers. You must know who is likely to buy your products. Are your customers university students, office workers, parents, beauty lovers, car owners, or online shoppers? Understanding your customers helps you know where to market your products and how to communicate with buyers. For example, if you sell trendy sneakers targeting young people, platforms like TikTok and Instagram may work better for you. If you sell kitchen products targeting families, Facebook may give better results. If you sell professional office wear, LinkedIn or Instagram may help you attract customers. Knowing your audience saves money and improves your chances of making sales. The next important step is finding suppliers. Your supplier determines your product quality, pricing, and profits. Many Kenyan resellers source products locally from wholesale markets such as Kamukunji, Eastleigh, River Road, Nyamakama, and Dubois Road in Nairobi. These places offer products at lower prices because sellers buy directly from importers or manufacturers. When visiting wholesalers, it is important to compare prices from different shops before buying. Some suppliers may charge higher prices than others for the same products. Negotiation is also important in business. Many wholesalers reduce prices when customers buy several items. Building long-term relationships with suppliers can also help you get better deals in the future. Some resellers choose to import products directly from China through platforms such as Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu. Importation can increase profits because products are often much cheaper from manufacturers. However, importing requires patience and proper research. You must understand shipping costs, taxes, product quality, and delivery timelines before ordering. Dropshipping is another business model that is becoming popular. In dropshipping, you market products online without keeping stock. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This model reduces startup costs because you do not need to buy inventory in advance. However, customer satisfaction depends heavily on the supplier's reliability. One of the biggest advantages of modern reselling is the power of social media marketing. Years ago, people needed physical shops to reach customers. Today, a smartphone is enough to start selling products to thousands of people. WhatsApp Business has become one of the strongest sales tools in Kenya. Many sellers use WhatsApp status updates to display products daily. Friends and customers view the status and place orders directly through messages. Facebook Marketplace is also powerful because it connects local buyers and sellers quickly. A person can post products and start receiving inquiries within minutes. TikTok has changed online selling completely because short videos can spread rapidly and reach thousands of people. Many small businesses have gone viral through creative product videos. Instagram works very well for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products because it focuses heavily on visual content. Good product photos and attractive videos can increase sales significantly. People buy what looks attractive online. Learning simple photography skills can improve your business greatly. One thing many beginners ignore is branding. Branding means creating a business identity that customers can remember. This includes your business name, logo, packaging, colors, communication style, and online presence. A professional-looking business attracts more trust. Even small sellers can create strong brands through consistency. Packaging also matters more than many people realize. Customers appreciate neat packaging because it creates a professional impression. A simple package with your business sticker can make buyers feel more confident about your products. Good packaging also encourages customers to recommend your business to others. Delivery is another major part of the business. Customers want products delivered quickly and safely. Delays, damaged products, or poor communication can destroy trust. Many resellers use courier companies such as G4S, Fargo Courier, Wells Fargo, Pickup Mtani, and Sendi for deliveries. Some businesses also use Boda Boda riders for same-day deliveries within towns and cities. Pricing products properly is very important. Some beginners make the mistake of copying competitors without calculating their own costs. Your selling price should include the buying cost, transport costs, packaging, marketing expenses, delivery costs, and profit margin. If you underprice products too much, you may make sales but fail to make meaningful profits. For example, if you buy a handbag at 1,000 Kenyan shillings, spend 200 Kenyan shillings on transport and packaging, and another 100 Kenyan shillings on advertising, your total cost becomes 1,300 Kenyan shillings. If you sell the handbag for 1,400 Kenyan shillings, your profit is too small. But if you sell it for 1,900 Kenyan shillings, your business becomes more sustainable. Marketing is what separates successful resellers from struggling ones. Many people fail not because their products are bad, but because customers do not know the products exist. Consistency in marketing is very important. You must keep posting products regularly, engaging customers, responding quickly to messages, and creating attractive content. Video marketing has become especially powerful. People love watching product demonstrations, before and after videos, unboxing clips, and customer reviews. Videos create trust faster than plain photos. Even simple videos recorded using smartphones can attract buyers if the lighting and presentation are good. Customer service is another area that determines success. Responding politely, communicating honestly, and solving customer problems quickly can help you build loyal customers. Many buyers return to businesses where they feel respected and appreciated. Happy customers also refer others. Scammers have unfortunately made some online buyers cautious. Because of this, trust is very important. Posting customer reviews, delivery confirmations, and real product photos can help people trust your business. Some sellers also allow customers to pay after delivery in certain areas to increase confidence. As your business grows, it becomes important to manage money wisely. Many small businesses collapse because owners mix business money with personal spending. Keeping records helps you understand whether the business is making profit or losses. You should track your expenses, sales, stock levels, and profits carefully. Saving and reinvesting profits is one of the smartest things you can do. Instead of spending all your profits immediately, use part of the money to increase stock, improve marketing, or expand product variety. Growth usually happens slowly through consistency and discipline. Business registration is also important when you start growing. Registering your business gives it credibility and makes it easier to work with suppliers, banks, and customers. In Kenya, many people register businesses through the e-Citizen platform. Having a business name and official documents can help you access larger opportunities in the future. One major challenge in reselling is competition. Many people sell similar products online. To stand out, you must offer something unique. This could be better customer service, faster delivery, better packaging, lower prices, higher quality, or stronger branding. Businesses that focus only on price often struggle because competitors can always lower prices further. Patience is necessary in business. Some beginners expect instant success and give up too quickly when sales are slow. Most successful businesses take time to grow. Building trust, attracting loyal customers, and learning the market happens gradually. The important thing is staying consistent and improving continuously. The future of reselling in Kenya looks very promising. Internet access continues to expand, smartphone usage keeps increasing, and more consumers are becoming comfortable buying products online. Artificial intelligence, digital payments, and social commerce are changing how businesses operate. People who adapt early to these trends may benefit greatly in the coming years. Many successful Kenyan entrepreneurs started with small reselling businesses before expanding into larger companies. Some began with a few products displayed on WhatsApp status and eventually opened shops, warehouses, or online stores serving customers nationwide. What matters most is starting, learning, and staying committed. If you are serious about financial growth, a reselling business can become an excellent opportunity. You do not need millions of Kenyan shillings to begin. What you need is the willingness to learn, the discipline to stay consistent, and the courage to take action. Start with what you can afford. Understand your customers, market your products daily, and focus on building trust. A small idea today can grow into a life-changing business tomorrow.